Hi there, welcome back. Still on settings. In this video, I'm going to be showing you very quickly how to manage staff notifications. So with staff notifications, you can do things like send reports to your staff, or you can, send daily or rather weekly performance reports, or get a copy of, what your staff is doing. It's all possible on Bumper app. So with these notifications, you just get emails, so you don't necessarily need to check the app every single minute. So to navigate to staff notification, the first thing is to come to general settings from the menu on the left side of your screen. So once you click on general settings, you come to notifications and then you select staff notifications. Now here you can control and basically toggle on what and what you don't want. So let's break it down. So the first one here is to allow you download request or action notifications. So it says here, receive copy of email sent when your staff downloads products, orders, customer CSV lists, and more. So if you want to get emails of these activities, you just come here and you toggle this on. Now, the next one is to allow you send daily sales performance reports to staff. So here it says toggle on to send daily sales performance reports to staff with analytics access. Now, note or remember that in staff accounts, you can control or give access to your staff based off of what you want them to do. So for the people who have analytics access, if you want them to get daily sales performance reports, you just need to come here and toggle this on. Now, this is for the weekly performance report, and this is for the monthly performance report. Now, here we have toggle on to send order created emails to staff with manage order access. Now, this is for people who you have given order access so they can manage orders. These people, if you want them to get emails about orders created, you just come here and you toggle this on. Now this is toggle on to send order confirmation emails to staff with manage order access. Same thing, but this time around it is when an order has been confirmed. If you want them to get an email about that, you just come here and you toggle it on. Now, once you're done, once you've toggled on what you want and you've toggled off what you don't want, you click on save. And that's it. Your settings has been updated. So that's it for staff notifications. Again, remember that with general settings and with notifications, a lot of things or pretty much everything is in your control, and you can decide what and what you don't want for your app, what you want your customers to see, what you want your staff to see, and what notifications you want to get. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.